Hi. Over the next week we're going to be considering values. We're going to be talking together in forum class time about what is meant by values, what our own personal values are, and what values we could adopt as important for Stirling High School. First we're going to consider what is meant by a value. A value is something which is perhaps a personality trait or a characteristic, something which shapes the way you look at life and the way that you act.
I love to dance and I love to do it in a way that's expressing myself and different from everybody else because I value individuality.
I like to read. I like to read lots of different types of books. I value knowledge.
I admire Beyonce because she hasn't gone off the rails like other big stars, and also she provides a healthy body image for young girls, and she has pride within herself.
I admire Nelson Mandela. He shows democracy, freedom and goodwill.
I admire Rihanna because she was getting beat up by her boyfriend, she took courage to leave him, and she cared about other young girls who might be in the same situation.
The person I admire is my younger cousin Rory. He's going through a life-threatening illness right now, and even though he's going through all that, he still has such a really great outlook in life, and he always manages to find a way to put other people before him, which I really respect that about him.
Muhammad Ali, Chris Batterson,
David Gard,
David Attenborough,
Shay Given,
the triathlete Emma Snowstill,
Daniel Craig,
Lady Gaga,
Charlotte and Anne Bronte,
doctor,
Photographer, a singer,
a vet,
judge.
I've drawn up a list of values on the front of the sheets which you should have. You'll see they're in three categories. First of all, just the person who you are and the who I am category. When I do things is making the point that often our values come to the fore when we're actually active and doing things. And the third column is to do with the values that are how we relate to other people and the way we act around others. So for today, the first task is on the first page of your sheets here, is to answer these questions which were the questions in the video, to answer what you enjoy doing, who you admire, perhaps your role models, and what you'd like to be in the future. Either that could be a career, or it could also be a personality trait or characteristic which you would like to have in the future. Hopefully as you think about these things you'll begin to realise what it is that you value and what your values are. The second box here is designed for you to write down 5 of the things which you value or which are your values. You will see, you can look back to the table on the front here and write down the values here which relate to you, which you know are your personal values. You may want to add some of your own values in along the bottom of this sheet, that would be fine as well.